Hi traders, welcome to Kajani Trade and a Train. If you see the thumbnail, there are two very important words here. One is the smart and another is the gambling trader. What is the meaning of a smart trader and what is the meaning of a gambling trader? The smart trader will learn the stock market techniques, options trading and all, then he start, and more than that he expects a profit of, if it is a daily basis, not more than 0.5%. On the other hand, if you are a gambler, he expects a profit of roughly around 6, 7, 8, 9, 10% on daily basis. Is it possible a strategy which is suitable for both the smart as well as the gambling trader who wants 0.5% or 8 to 10% on a daily basis? Yes, we have a strategy which is requires about minimum capital of 50,000 and maximum capital whatever you have, it will the capability of absorbing those capital. Based on your capital, it will generate the profits on a daily basis. It is an option strategy. It is a combination of buy and sell, put and call combination is there in this strategy. Buy and sell, put and call combinations are available. Just to show whether the smart trader or gambling trader who expects 0.5% to 6, 7, 8, 10%, whether this strategy supports or not, I have made a live trading on a simulator that you can see the profitability on a 1st September. That too on a Thursday we have set up, we have tested this one on a Thursday, that is the expiry day 1st September. I had set the timings 9:30. I will move this 1 minute in 1 seconds. Just observe the profit and loss. I have made this simulation for the entire day. Because of the length of this video, I may shortcut and I will forward this one, fast forwarding. Just see the results of the two Thursday, that is the expiry day, that is the 1st September. I started this simulator. Now time is running 9:34. We have started at 9:30. Now time is 9 minutes. Your profit is 1,125. It is approximately about 2% of your capital deployed. What is the capital deployed here? This is the capital deployed. You take roughly around 65,000. It will give profits of 3,000, 4,000, even 5,000 also. You can observe this profitability, and now you tell me whether this strategy will be applicable for a small trader as well as a gambler. See, the profit is 1,555, roughly around 2% of your capital deployed. Now I will make little fast forward. Now the time is 10:58. I will make little fast forward. See, 2,100. It is almost 3% of your capital deployed. I will make a little fast forward. See, 4,015, roughly around 6 to 7%. We'll make little fast forward. We'll make little, see, 5,130, roughly around 8% of your capital. That's what we have told in this. Whether you are a smart trader or a gambling trader, this strategy is support for 0.5% to roughly around 78, sometimes it is 10% also. Traders, we are conducting both technical analysis consisting of trends, chart reading, candlesticks, support and resistance, some intraday trade setups, as well as options trading covering basics to advanced strategies level. We will also give this special strategy in the training program. Please contact 9686685157 for further information. Thank you.